Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable and use manual focus on your Sony a6400 camera specifically. So the process is simple and I'm going to tell you step by step how you can enable manual focus in this camera. So let's begin the tutorial. So currently you can see that I have enabled autofocus on the Sony a6400, which is good if you're recording video, because whichever thing is in front or near to the lens, it's going to focus on that. But if you're going to take some pictures, then I think manual focus is the best thing. So that's why I'm going to show you how. So there are two ways in which you can enable manual focus on your Sony a6400 camera. The first way is that you're going to press on this function button right here. I'm going to press on the function button, and here it's going to show autofocus mode or focus mode, which is the first one, AFC. So we're going to press on it. We're going to go down until we're going to see it says MF on the left side, and here it's going to show manual focus. So here you're just going to select and manual focus will be enabled, which is the first way. And if for some reason your manual focus isn't showing in this function button, the other way is that you can press on this menu button right here. Make sure that you are on this first chapter, which is this camera one, and now we're going to press on the right key until we move to the fifth page. So I'm going to go back, and here you can see we are on the fifth page of the first chapter. Here you can see focus mode and it says manual focus. We are just going to press on it, and again it's going to show you the same options. So again you're going to select manual focus, or you can select any other focus type you want. So I'm just going to select manual focus. So I'm currently in movie mode, that's why the other focus modes are not showing, but you can do the same for other modes as well. So now if you want to zoom in or out using your lens, so here on the left side you're going to have your WT button, which is actually if you pull upward it's going to zoom in, and if you press downward on the left side it's going to zoom out. So in this way you can zoom in and out when in manual focus mode. And if you want to focus on something, you're going to use this lens ring in order to focus. So you're going to see whether you want the last thing to be on focus or the first thing. So it's mainly going to depend on which thing you want to be in focus and which not. So this is how you can enable focus mode on your Sony a6400 camera. But currently guys, you can see that we're having a lot of problem because we can't tell correctly whether which thing is perfectly in focus or not. So we can use peaking settings for this purpose. For that I have already made a video. A box will be appearing up right here. You can check that video out as well. So it will tell you that which thing is in focus and which is not when you are using manual focus mode on the Sony a6400. Anyways guys, that's all for this video on how you can enable manual focus mode on the Sony a6400 camera. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.